Turn on the sewing machine. Place the fabric under the presser foot. Set the machine for a straight stitch. Press the Start/Stop button. The machine will start sewing. Press the reverse sewing button. Sew a few reverse stitches. Release the reverse stitch button to stop the machine from sewing. Press the Start button to resume sewing. Turn to the left to remove the fabric. Cut the thread. The speed limiting adjustment lever can control the sewing speed. Select the 03 zigzag stitch. This value is the default setting for this stitch pattern. Adjust the stitch width. A smaller value narrows the swing amplitude of the stitches. A larger value widens the swing amplitude of the stitches. Adjust the stitch length. A higher value decreases the density of the stitches. Open the buttonhole plate and insert the button. Install the buttonhole foot. The thread should be passed through the hole in the presser foot, then be placed under the foot. Lower the buttonhole lever. Select the buttonhole stitch. It will automatically sew in the order. After sewing, lift the lever back up. Use a buttonhole knife to cut open the buttonhole.